Okay, confession. I used to be a total perfume girl. I mean, who doesn't like to smell amazing? But then I started to learn what's actually in perfume. And let's just say, yikes. But before you start tossing out your favorite bottle of Chanel, hold on. Today, we're breaking down essential oils versus perfume, which is better. I'll be answering 4 big questions that I get asked all the time. Are essential oils actually better than perfume? Can essential oils be used instead of perfume? Do essential oils last as long as perfume? What's the deal with fragrance oils? Those are different than essential oils, right? Plus, if you stick around to the end, I will be sharing with you some of my favorite essential oil perfume recipes so you can smell amazing without worrying about the sketchy chemicals. Sound good? Let's go. Perfume has been around forever, literally since ancient Egypt. It's fancy, it lasts a long time, and it comes in like 1,000 scents. But essential oils, they're natural, they're plant-based, and people swear by them as perfume alternatives. So are essential oils actually better than perfume? Do they last as long? And what's the deal with fragrance oils? Because those are different too. Let's go ahead and break it down. Okay. Quick intro. I'm Stacy, a mom of 6, entrepreneur and natural wellness nerd who's obsessed with helping busy women like you simplify their health, feel amazing, and yes, smell amazing without all the junk. If that sounds like your vibe, stick around because we're about to make things real. Here's the deal. When it comes to fragrance, people want 3 things. A scent that smells amazing, scent that actually lasts, scent that doesn't secretly ruin their health, minor detail, and that's where the debate comes in. Perfumes are designed to last all day, but they're full of synthetic ingredients. Some of those can cause headache, hormone disruption, and even skin irritation. Essential oils are completely natural, but they tend to fade faster. And let's be real, finding a pure essential oil, not as easy as it sounds. Quick side note, did you know that 80% of essential oils on the market are adulterated? Many of them are diluted, mixed with synthetic chemicals, or just straight up fake. So if you're using an essential oil as a perfume, you want to actually make sure that it's pure. Otherwise, you might as well be wearing a drug body spray. All right, so let's break it down. Essential oils versus perfume. All right, let's start with the big one. Are essential oils actually better than perfume? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. Perfume lasts longer, have complex scents, and are super convenient. Essential oils are natural, often therapeutic, and don't contain synthetic chemicals found in perfumes. So, if you care about a long-lasting designer scent, perfume wins. If you're about natural ingredient and health benefit, essential oils win. So number 2, can essential oils be used as a perfume? The short answer is yes, but with a few tricks. Since essential oils don't have alcohol or synthetic fixative, they don't last as long as traditional perfumes. To make them last longer, you can try blending them with a carrier oil like jojoba or fractionated coconut oil, applying them to your pulse points like your wrists, the back of your neck, and behind your ears. Layering them with a unscented body lotion. And you can also check out my video on how to make essential oil perfumes because there really is a trick to it. And I will link that up down in the description. So number 3, do essential oils last as long as perfumes? Not usually, but there are some ways to make them last longer. Again, most essential oils don't last as long because they don't contain alcohol or synthetic fixative, but some do have heavier base notes. So oils like patchouli and sandalwood will last much longer than oils that are lighter, like your citrus oils. And you can reapply them throughout the day. But let's be real. If you want to apply once and smell amazing throughout the entire day, perfume is your best bet. So number 4, what's the difference between essential oils and fragrance oils? This one's a biggie. Essential oils are 100% natural and extracted from plants. Fragrance oils are 100% synthetic, often labeled as natural, but actually a chemical cocktail. Fragrance oils are designed to mimic real scents, but they don't have any of the health benefits of essential oils. And some contain phthalates, which have been linked to hormone disruption. Yikes. So when you're looking at your personal care products and you see on the label fragrant, that might be code word for toxic chemicals. Okay, so quick side note. If you are using perfume, do not spray it on your skin. Most perfumes contain synthetic chemicals that are absorbed into your bloodstream, especially when applied to the skin. And if you're spraying it on your neck, that is your thyroid. Think of how it will impact your hormones. Instead, if you're using perfume, wearing perfume, spray it on your clothes instead of your skin. Or even better, spray it on your back or in your hair. That way other people can smell how amazing you are and you don't have to breathe it in all the time. But seriously, if you really want a scent that supports your health, essential oils are the way to go. When applied directly to the skin, they can actually support your mood, your immune system, and your overall well-being. Plus they last longer when you apply them to your skin instead of fabric. Okay, so what's the verdict? Should you ditch perfume and switch to essential oils? Not necessarily. Here's the deal. If you love long-lasting designer fragrances, then perfume is probably your go-to. If you want natural, non-toxic alternatives that smell great and have therapeutic benefits, essential oils are the way to go. And if you want the best of both worlds, you can actually blend essential oils into unscented body lotion or hair oil to make the scent last longer. And you can actually check out my video on how to make essential oil perfumes down in the description. So what do you think? Are you team perfume, essential oils, or team I just want to smell good and not poison myself? Let me know in the comments below. And as I promised, if you want some easy DIY essential oil recipes, you can grab my free essential oils guidebook in the description below. It's packed with the best essential oils for scent as well as your health, so you can feel great and smell amazing all at the same time. Then head over and watch my easy DIY natural perfume recipes without toxic fragrances. If this video has been helpful, go ahead and click subscribe, like, share it with a friend.